about? No, Sketch. What are you doing?
I didn't told me to, bro.
Why did you start humping my chair?
No, I was doing the dance.
Move my ass up. Move me up and me. Yeah.
Hey, wait, really?
Yo, why you mean mugging me?
Mean mugging. Hey, if you wanna run a fade, we can step outside. Do the shit on the tarmac. You and that bra you're wearing, I don't give a f***. I'll run it right now.
I have a good segment we can do later.
What?
We could all get in our underwear and sit in a circle and see who gets hard first. Rage told me about it yesterday.
Okay, I would lose pretty fast, because I'm hard right now.
What did Click say, bro? What?
Like a microdose. Was that you?
Oh.
Was that you?
No, that was not me.
Hey.
Not this time.
That was
Not
good.
this time.
What do you mean not
Let's
this
go.
time?